Hello, and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. I'm coming to you today from Grand Cayman Islands. I'm away on a beautiful vacation, but I didn't want to miss this month's video. So today we'll be talking about a little bit about my trip, not to rub it in. We'll also talk about the current status with my litigation regarding expanding policies when there's a permanent or significant spinal cord injury. I'll also tell you who the new commissioner of the Department of Banking and Insurance, as nominated by the governor, is, and what I hopefully will see in the future. We won't be doing the feature provider of the month this month, just because I'm away and I don't have the drawing for next month, so we're going to put that off for it. But as you can see here, I'm in a wonderful location, enjoying, having a great time. So let's get right to it. So it's been a beautiful week here in Cayman Islands, and not to rub it in again, especially with the cold we've been having here in New Jersey. Although it's been, for them, cold and breezy, we were a good 50 degrees warmer than you in New Jersey. And it got better each day that we were here. Got to do a lot of great things. We had a Super Bowl party, some swinging with the stingrays. We also did some snorkeling, some wave runners, 2 rounds of golf. So it was really a fantastic trip. I got to go with my wife's association, UTCA, and it's just been magical. So we're heading home shortly, and we're looking forward to getting back to New Jersey, although we will miss this weather, and summer can't come soon enough. So in terms of PIP, I want to update you a little bit. I have a case going on. It's now in Superior Court. We filed the arbitration for a ACDF surgery for permanent spinal cord injury. The insurance carrier authorized the surgery. It was advised that it was being done because it was a permanent injury. They then afterwards said, well, we got a $15,000 policy, and with a partial payment, we exhausted it. We did the appeal. When I say we, the clients did the appeal, saying, well, this meets the exception under NJSA 39:6A-4.3E, where if you have a permanent or significant spinal cord injury, the policy can be expanded. The insurance company didn't dispute that it was a spinal cord injury. Unfortunately, we had an arbitrator who incorrectly interprets the statute, and he believes that the second part of the statute for any other permanent injuries has to be performed immediately following the accident and only in an acute care or a trauma center until the patient's stable. However, this is clearly the second part of the statute of the regulation. Otherwise, there would be no reason to differentiate between a permanent or significant brain or spinal cord injury and any other injury. So we have filed an appeal in Superior Court. I named the Department of Banking and Insurance as an interested party. Unfortunately, they're taking the position, we have no position in this. We'll see if they change their mind, if it should go the wrong way, and we have to take it to the appellate division or the Supreme Court, because they've, in other cases, have taken strong positions, and just recently, in one of the matters, whether a case has to go to arbitration if the insurance company alleges fraud. So we'll see what occurs here. We have some briefing time. The insurance company gets time to make their argument, and they're going to have to argue beyond what they did in arbitration, because even they didn't dispute that it was a spinal cord injury, nor that it had to only be performed in a acute care or trauma center. We'll keep you updated, and hopefully it goes well, and we can fix this wrong situation. This is a person who had a serious surgery, ACDF, which basically, cleaning out the discs in the cervical region and then having to fuse it with hardware. So major, and this was to avoid possible paralysis down the line, to stabilize the spinal cord. and to provide relief. So again, we'll keep you updated. So the new governor has announced her pick for the commissioner for Department of Insurance. It's Susan Oach, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, hopefully. She comes from the financial sector with reforms. Hopefully she'll play a key role in insurance, which has been neglected of recent. You know, we got an overdue fee schedule for about going on 13, 14 years. We have a lot of issues that need to be addressed. The press release says she's going to try to bring reform and improvements to both the health care and the auto insurance. So we'll see what comes of it and hope for the best. And I'm doing this kind of out of the blue, so I'm hoping I'm covering everything. We will get back next month to our featured provider of the month, and we'll do the drawing again. We are in the mix, as I mentioned before, putting together a marketing event, networking event, and that's hopefully going to be sometime in March or beginning of April. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated, and thank you for joining us. Again, we're in a beautiful place. I'll do one final turnaround shot, give you a little ocean view here. Again, Grand Caymans, I highly recommend it if you have the chance. Just awesome. So with that said, I hope you found this video useful, informative, a little fun. We're having our farewell dinner out on the beach today. Sun's starting to go down. I'm going to switch the angle so you can see a little bit better, and the wind's a nice breeze right now. So again, thank you for tuning in. As always, we're never too busy for your kind New Jersey PIP and personal injury referrals. Thank you, God bless, and I'll see you soon.